Hey everybody, here we have an old Arcoaire. There's a reset.
Old Arcoaire Standard General.
That appears to be a Bristol reciprocating compressor.
Yeah.
Can't really tell the year, it's too rusty. What do you got?
It's faded.
Yeah, it's always faded on these.
I'd like to see if there's any legible part of the compressor. Looks like there is.
It's an old Bristol.
I want to see if I can get a year off the compressor.
Look at the fan conduit. It's kind of crazy.
These are disconnect. Might not even run anymore.
Alright. Grab some pictures. See you guys in the next one. Actually, here's the logo. Almost forgot to show that. Alright, that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.